Hi, welcome to NetGain's Tech Tip videos. Today we're going to be sharing some tips in Microsoft PowerPoint, specifically some presentation mode tips. First, we're going to show how to get in presentation mode. We're going to start by going over here to the slideshow tab and then hitting from beginning to start the presentation from the very first slide. This will put us in presentation mode. And when you're in presentation mode, if you hit Control P, this will turn your cursor into a pen, and you can annotate the screen whichever way you see fit, helpful to your presentation. These annotations can either be saved or removed at the end. And if you're ever presenting and accidentally hit next slide or just go too fast, if you hit Shift P, it'll take you back one step, hopefully to the slide you intended to be on. We hope this helped you get a little bit more comfortable presenting with Microsoft PowerPoint, and stay tuned for the next Tech Tip video.